Hey guys, so today we will be talking about contact lenses, how to wear and care of your contact lenses. The first and foremost thing is to do an eye examination before buying any contact lenses or glasses. There are many type of lenses from which you can choose, like yearly ones, monthly disposables, bi-weekly, weekly, daily disposables, etc. So I am using this contact lenses, Air Optics from Alcon, as I am having cylindrical power. This is for astigmatism, and I am having different powers in both my eyes, so I have to buy two boxes. It contains 3 lenses in each one. Along with contact lenses, you will also need a contact lens solution. So I always carry a smaller bottle with myself, like if in case the lenses get dried or displaced or something like that. So now I'm going to tell you how to wear your contact lenses. First thing is that you should be having clean hands. So make sure that you wash your hands with a non-fragrance or a non-oil based soap with normal water, and you should not be using any sanitizers or something. So go ahead and wipe your hands with the help of a lint-free towel or tissue. Lint-free because when we rub our hands to wipe our hands, the lint from the towel or the tissue can get transferred to our fingers, and then they can get transferred to the contact lenses which we are going to wear. So I keep my contact lenses in these case. Okay, so mostly in all of the cases it's written R for the right eye and left for the left eye, so that when you wear or when you remove the lenses doesn't get interchanged. So now I'll take out the contact lens from the case. Okay, see, now I'll put it in my palm. I'll add 2 to 3 drops of the solution to it, and then gently rub it from my index finger or my ring finger so that I doesn't apply much pressure. Okay, so then I'll take it on my index finger. So now if you can see, I have taken the contact lens into my index finger. At the tip of the index finger, the contact lens should not be very much dry, or it should not be very much wet also, so that it goes easily into the eye. So now I'll be putting the lens into the eyes. So with the help of the left hand, I'll just invert the upper eyelid. I'll hold the lashes as well so that it doesn't come in between the lens in the eye. I'll hold the lower eyelid with the help of my ring finger. Okay. So now I'll just put the contact lens. So I'm gonna gently put the lens over the cornea. You need to rotate your eyes in all the directions, like up, down, right, left, so that the lens comes in its place. Slowly close your eyes. Give a gentle massage over the eyelid, clockwise, anti-clockwise. A very light pressure so that if there is any air bubble, it gets removed. Now open your eyes and then blink for a couple of times. To remove the contact lenses, you just need to do one thing. Just look up, slide your contact lens down, pinch it out, and it's in your hand. So after removal, again I have taken the contact lens into my hand. I'll pour again 2 to 3 drops of same contact lens solution. I'll just rub it gently so that if there is any debris or any lentils or something like that, it just get removed. Okay. Then we'll add few drops of solution in the contact lens case. We need to clean the contact lens case properly. Okay, the contact lens case should be dry, it shouldn't be wet. Then we'll just put the contact lens inside it. I have done it already. And then we'll just fill the case with plenty of solution so that the contact lens doesn't remain out. Never reuse the contact lens solution as it is very unhygienic. You should never use that. You should clean your case within like every day whenever you change, and you should clean your contact lens as well every day before wearing and after removing, both the times. That is very much hygienic. So now talking about how to take care of your contact lenses, there are several things that you should not be doing while wearing your contact lenses. Like you should not be taking bath when you are having contact lens on. You should not swim. You should dispose that. Then check before the insertion, like the contact lens is proper in shape or is it inverted. Do not sleep overnight with your contact lenses on. Do not overwear the lenses. Follow the maximum advised period by an expert. Always put on your contact lenses before applying any type of makeup. Do not use any type of eye drops with your lenses in the eye. Make habit of always opening the right case first while insertion as well as removal, so that you do not mix with the lenses. Right one is in the right, left is in the left. You should not rub your eyes while you have your contact lenses on. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked the video and learned something about the contact lenses from the video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.